Okay, flams. How many kind of flams there are, and what exactly is a flam? Alright, well, and the purpose of a flam. We have a note, this is a full stroke, has one sound. Now a flam, and sometimes when you're doing flams, this is referred to as the primary note, the king note. Both are the same. So a flam is a grace note just before the primary note. Okay? That means I'm going to hit very close to the surface of the drum. I'm going to play this way, way open, like so. Now I'm going to make it closer. That means closer means this is going to hit just before this. You hear that? Okay, now the reason for a flam is to make the notes sound fatter. That's one sound. Now I'm going to do a flam. Without, with. One makes it fatter, and the other one is just the primary note. Now, it does the same thing with the left hand. My right hand is going to be the grace note, and it hits just before the primary note, like so. So what I just demonstrated was a full stroke or a free stroke flam. Right hand is coming right back, it's free stroke. Now, to get into position for my left hand, I'd have to do an alternating stroke. That means when I hit the drum with the right hand, I keep it down and bring the left in position to attack a left hand flam. So what this is considered is a right hand flam. Now I'm in position to do a left hand flam. Just reversing it. My right hand is going to hit first. It's the ghost note or the grace note before the primary note. So now I have an alternating flam. I have alternate, alternate, alternate. Then I just have the right hand flam. Then I have a left hand flam. Now what you want to be careful is not to have both sticks hit at the same time. That is called a flat flam. Sounds terrible. However, we do use, some people refer to that flat flam as two notes coming down like this. That's kind of going off the wall there. I don't like that. So you have alternating flam, right hand flam or free stroke flam, alternate, left hand flam. There's one more flam that we're going to do, and that's a downstroke flam. I'm going to demonstrate it, but we're not going to use it today for the exercises I've come up with. The reason why we're going to eventually use the downstroke flam is for the diddle rudiments, the flam rudiments, or the Swiss Army triplets, or the flam accents, or the patty fla-flas, and so on and so forth. Today, and that's the downstroke flam is just I hit down, I come down, I start here and come down, hold it down. Same thing with this side. We're not going to get into that. We're just going to get into the alternating flam, the right hand flam, alternate again, and left hand flam. So now, what I've done, again, is take the stick control book. And like I said, it's my primary source of instructing, and in my opinion, and most everyone else's opinion, everything comes out of the first 3 pages. Okay? It's a 2-dimensional book. So what I've done, I've come up with a formula. We have a sequence of sticking patterns. Right, left, or right, left, right, left, right, or right, left. And I've come up with a formula. I made R, it was very simple, a right hand flam. And I made L, a left hand flam. When I see an L, I'm going to play that. So if I take it to the first line, I have the first 4 notes, right, left, or 8 notes. I'm providing you with a PDF sheet, and I brought it down to quarter notes as opposed to 8th notes. So if you take a look at the PDF sheet, line 1, you see the sticking pattern for the first guy is just right, left, left. So with the formula, it's R equals a right hand flam, and L equals a left hand flam. So we're going to do the first line, number 1. I'm not going to play the sticking pattern, I'm just going to play the right hand side, which is telling me it's a right hand flam, left hand flam. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm alternating the strokes. Simple as enough. It's an alternating flam. But I put it into a formula, so I'm referencing off the stick control book. Now, I skipped line 2 from the stick control book and I went to line 3. You have 2 rights and 2 lefts. Now, what that's going to tell me is it's 2 right hand flams and 2 left hand flams. So, now, you have to be careful because you always want to keep yourself in position. I mean, I'm going to do a right hand flam as a full free stroke. And that's the first flam. But now, the second flam is still a right hand flam, but I have to get in position for the left hand. So I'm going to do 1, 2. I do an alternating flam, and now I have my position for my left hand, which is a left hand flam and an alternating flam. So if I play that 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, right, left, left. Okay. I did the third line. It's number 3 here. I just randomly now picked out sticking patterns. You have, for that line, the sticking pattern is right, left, left, right. Again, right, left, left, right. So that's telling me I want a right hand flam, left hand flam, and then a right hand flam. That takes care of 4 notes. It continually repeats itself. So line 3 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, wait a minute. I'm on line 3. I should get my glasses. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the first right has to be an alternating flam because I have to get in position for my left. 1, I'm in position. Now 2 is going to be a free stroke flam or left hand flam, and I'm going to get in position again to attack the left side. So I have 2, and I'm in position to attack the 3. But now I have to wait now, watch, that when I do the left hand flam, I got to get in position for the right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I go down to the line 5. I have 3 rights as the sticking pattern in the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 3 right hand flams and a left hand flam. So I have 1, 2, now alternate 3, I'm in position for the left. 4, back in position for the right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. 1. I got to wake up. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's flam, flam, alternate, flam. So on and so forth. Now we're on line, I should bring this closer, I can't really see. Sorry. Line 6. It's the sticking pattern is going to be right, right, left, right, 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 left, right. So it's telling me I want 2 right hand flams, a left hand flam, and a right hand flam. But I need to always put myself in position for the up and coming flam. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll slow that down. The first right is a free stroke flam, a right hand flam. 1. I'm still in position to do a right hand flam. But I look ahead of it, and I have a left hand flam coming up, so I need to alternate it. Then the left hand flam is going to be alternating again. And then right hand flam. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 7, 3 lefts and a right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that's going to be 3 left-hand flams and a right-hand flam. The objective to this is to keep in position, or get in position, to attack the up-and-coming note, or the flam rather. So I have, on line 7, I have left, left, left. Now look at me, I'm reversed my situation, and I'm in position to nail the right, right. And again, I'm in position now to nail the left. So I have left, 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 right, left, 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 right. Okay, now we're going to go to, I think it's number 8. Hold on. And like I said, I randomly took sticking patterns. But now what I did with number 8 is I made it a 2-measure increment. So I can get a paradiddle. Right, left, right, alternating, left, right, left, left. So I have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I'm going to use that sticking pattern, and I'm going to interject the formula. R is equal to a right-hand flam, L is equal to a left-hand flam. But what's tricky is I need to always keep myself in position to attack the up-and-coming flam. So I have 1 for the first note, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do it slower. My right hand is going to be an alternating flam, 1. My left hand is going to be an alternating flam again, 2. My next right is going to be a free stroke flam. Next one is going to be an alternating flam. So I'm in position to attack my left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that takes me down to number 10. And actually, that's number 7, I believe, in the stick control book. So I'm just giving you these references that you're going to do page 5, 6, and 7 as a flam exercise. And it's a really good exercise to understand your positioning. It's going to reinforce the levels or the control strokes. All right, so now I'm going to do, it's actually the sticking pattern I'm using is number 10, which is right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. All right, now that's going to take us down to number 11. 2 right hand flams, 1, but now I have an alternating flam because I need to get in position for the left. 2, I'm in position. Now I need another alternating flam to get in position for the right, and then a right hand flam. Well, actually an alternating flam. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's alternating. 1, here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in position with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next video I make, I'm going to use my glasses. I apologize, gentlemen. Okay, so the object for this particular lesson is it's kind of twofold. You're learning how to do a flam. You know, you have a right hand flam, or sometimes referred to as a free stroke flam, then an alternating flams. That puts me in position, right hand flam, left hand flam, right, left, right. Then you have a left hand flam. I'm always in position. You need to be careful with the flam because you don't want it to sound flat out without the flam. Different sound, it's a little bit fatter. Okay, so you have actually, you can make up your own exercises. You could, the goal here is to do 1 through 72 without a mistake with the metronome. And you're taking, with the PDFs, you're thinking of it as a quarter note. But if I went to, and I ran down rather, the stick control book, I look at it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. As 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now I'm making a right hand flam, left a left hand flam. So if I took this sticking pattern, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and put the formula together, I have 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and. If I move over to line 13, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, and with the flams, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So I hope that works for you. If you have any problems, any questions, we'll do at the lesson. Just ask and we'll kind of review it. Now, like I said, you're going to get a PDF sheet with every video. This is the PDF sheet for the Flam video I'm making today, but I haven't labeled or numbered the video as of yet. But you'll get it, you'll see. Okay, gentlemen, to the next video.